Ito na nga, binigyan ko na nga siya ng chance. Basta pag wala pa siya dito, aalis na tayo. Late na tayo.
Oh yeah, she's here. She's here. Told you.
Good morning. Han! Hello, Libby? Yes, anak, napatawag ka.
Mom, can you please pick me up dito sa QC?
What? QC? Anak, nasa Pasay ako. Is everything okay?
Mom, just pick me up, please. I'll tell you the exact location.
Taka lang, anak. Hello?
Han, glad you made it.
Si Libby tumawag. Nagpapasundo.
Bakit daw?
Hindi niya sinabi sa akin kung bakit.
So, gusto niyo ako na lang sumundo sa kanya sa QC? Kayo na lang magbarakay.
No. Wait. No. Kailangan ka namin doon. Han, can you pick up Libby? Kami na bahala dito. Kaya na namin to. Besides, running late. We need to leave.
Dapat kanina pa.
Okay lang. Ingat kayo.
Ingatan.
Hello, anak? Anong nangyayari? Anong ginagawa mo dyan? Ang layo-layo.
Ma, may pinuntahan lang po ako ng lawyer. I'm doing a research about Xavier's case. Medyo uncomfortable lang po ako.
What? Why?
Ma, just come, please.
Okay, okay. Hello, Libby. Andito na ako sa area sinasabi mo. Asan yung waiting shed?
Mom, nakaalis na po ako.
What? Ba't hindi mo sinabi sa akin?
I was trying to call you. Blame it's a bad signal due to this typhoon. Anyways, thanks, Ma.
Libby, wait! Hello? Hello?
Okay, what was that about?
Nothing. I just want to make sure na hindi talaga siya makakasama sa meeting with the Japanese businessman. Baka kung ano pang gawin niya. That will hurt the company.
And pati na rin kay Dad.
What do you mean?
You know what's weird, Grandma? I agree. Mom and Princess are becoming too alike. From sa background nila from jail, and the way they make me feel, nakakainis na kasi si Mommy eh. Like Princess. I'm just worried about Xavier. Paliit na ng paliit yung mundo nila ng Xavier ko.